Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will be slightly different from the Galaxy S20. The company is working on the continuation of last year's flagship, and if insiders are not mistaken, then there will be close genetic connection between the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy S20. Samsung with a screen camera in the hands of the user. The shape of the smartphone is associated with upcoming Galaxy Note 20. The first photo of an unknown Samsung smartphone, which does not have a visible front camera, was published on the /leak website. The device that is in the hands of the user is in the on-the state. An application for controlling the air conditioning is launched on the screen. Also, TechnoSpy Ice Universe and XDA developers, resource editor Max Weinbach announced that the characteristics of the Galaxy Note 20 will not undergo significant changes compared to the Galaxy S20 series. The same goes for the camera. It seems that Samsung did not have any trump cards that the company could present in the Galaxy Note 20. Perhaps the stylus will offer some improvements, but these innovations may not be enough to make users want to buy an expensive smartphone. Now the question is how many models will be in the Galaxy Note 20 series. If the company implements last year's scenario, then we will see the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Plus. But there are those who predict the announcement of 3 smartphones, where Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will join the already voiced devices. According to the first leak, the author of the photo claims that this is the first smartphone of the South Korean giant, which is equipped with a front camera located under the surface of the display. If you carefully look into the upper right corner of the screen, then on the frame from above, some kind of light is visible. Perhaps these are artifacts that remained after using the graphical editor. But if we assume that this is indeed the first Samsung smartphone with a sub-screen front camera, then inform it is associated with the upcoming Galaxy Note 20. The premiere of the Galaxy Note 20 family is expected in August. Almost certainly, before the announcement, a lot of various skins and leaks will appear on the network, which will give an understanding of what the new Samsung flagships will be. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.